In this video I explain how to use the handshake system. My previous video explains how to download and install the software. Handshake consists of two microbits. One is one on the wrist. I call this the transmitter. When the transmitter is shaken, it sends a signal to a second microbit, the receiver, which connects to a laptop or a PC through a USB port. The receiver then sends a signal through the USB port. Software running on the laptop detects this signal and sends a trigger to control communication software or environmental controls or whatever else you want to control. On the transmitter we can see bright LEDs and faint LEDs. Now as we shake the transmitter we get more and more bright LEDs. Once there are more bright LEDs and faint LEDs, a shake is detected. Now we can change the shake threshold by using the two buttons. If you press the B button, you add an extra faint LED. This means you need a harder shake for a shake to be detected. If you press the A button, a faint LED is removed, which means you need a weaker shake for a shake to be detected. Turn the transmitter on or off using the switch on the battery pack. Please find links to other videos about this project below, and more details can be found on my website. Thanks for watching. If you want to replicate either of the projects presented in this video, all of the code and instructions are freely available on the project websites. A microbit can be bought for around £12, so replicating these projects is straightforward and cheap.